A follow-up question I want to ask, when you're looking at the market or the audience, what have you seen have been effective tools to see if there is a market for whatever your big idea is?
I love your questions, Rawlis. So for me, the number one reason why someone succeeds in their big idea and being able to commercialize it successfully is product market fit. And I think that the biggest decision that you'll make in the path to get to product market fit and to success is going to be co-creation. So I have a 5 framework that I use when I work with clients. It's co-ideation, co-evaluation, co-design, co-testing, and co-launch. And so really, you've got a big idea, but don't just start there. Sit down with your target market. And in healthcare, it's usually a very complex sale if we're talking about B2B. So don't just think of the payers or the providers, but also include the patient early on. And really, even that ideation stage is really critical because they can help you determine what best idea is going to be the one that you can move forward with. So I think the 5 Co's is a really powerful framework. And, we're all pretty familiar with design thinking, and that's mostly around, so when I see innovators start to, involve their target customers in this process, it's mostly around the design phase. And I think that there's really 5 phases that they can include those target customers in that process and that ideation right out of the gate. So many times people that have a big idea think that they're the ones that are responsible for the idea and all of the different steps until they get to market, and then they're just asking for people for feedback on their big idea. And even that, most often we have some bias. We love our idea. We're not looking for people to tell us our baby's ugly. We're just looking for someone to validate all the decisions that we've already made. So I think the co-creation process helps us eliminate or overcome some of those pitfalls and obstacles that we might have right out of the gate. They're with you. They're telling you what they want and what they need.